Hi, my name is Aryan Vilas Modgare. I am in 10th standard right now. I had joined to this Wings Academy when I was in 8th standard. I was just searching a teacher who can teach me my syllabus only, but fortunately I got a sir who could teach me English language also. Pankaj Wagh sir, he's master at English. He had mastered the subject also, and he has so many skills like those skills are enough to make you understand about the particular concept of English. It does not mean that he cannot teach any other subject. He can. The main skill that I have experienced from my side, that he makes you laugh while teaching, which ultimately improves your focus, and when you will be focused, you will be best or better in your academics. He always improves himself. He always want to be updated, which will be beneficial for the student that are learning in the Wings Academy. One of my friend whose name is Soyam, he was not at that good that he is now, because he had been influenced by the sir who had taught him firstly, and he had informed me about the Wings Academy. So, and now because of the sir, I am able to speak English, which is very amazing thing for me as a student. He not only teaches us the English language, posture, gesture while speaking, and the other part of the English grammar, but also teaches us the moral and ethics that is very much required in this Kali-Yug, as you know that. The English is the backbone of the all subjects. Like as a student of the 10th standard, I have so many subjects like geography, history, civics, other the democratic politics, and all itself, English itself, and other. So these all subjects are in English language. So here the English becomes a mediate by which you can communicate with the book and other people also. Pankaj sir does not provide us any material or any notes which are just for display. Pankaj sir always tells us that practice is everything. The more you practice, the more better you will be in the subject. As like maths, the more you practice, the more you will be better in the particular subject. I have never seen this type of skills of making you understand about the particular concept in any of the teachers that I have met before. I have made a code on the experience that I have gained from the Wings Academy, from the sir that who had taught me English language. And let me tell you the code. The code is, when you join to this academy, you not only join to this academy but also connected to your dreams. This was whole my experience that I have put forward in this code. So thank you sir for your efforts that you have taken for us.